Are you ready to winterize your RV? As the frosty breath of winter creeps closer, it becomes crucial to equip your recreational vehicle for the impending icy weather conditions. Preparing for the harsh winter months assures that your much-loved RV, your mobile haven, is well protected from the possible damage due to sub-zero temperatures and snow. Winterizing your RV is not just about preserving your expensive investment, it's about ensuring that when the snow melts and the balmy breeze of spring warms the air again, you're all set to hit the road, heading towards thrilling adventures without any unpleasant surprises. Our comprehensive video guide is designed to walk you through the entire process of effectively winterizing your RV. It offers essential instructions that help you prepare your vehicle, ensuring your cozy home on wheels remains unscathed in the face of winter's severity. By following these steps, you're not only preserving your RV, but also ensuring your trips are devoid of unexpected problems. So let's dive into the step-by-step process of winterizing your RV. To start with, you must prepare for the winterization process. This can be crucial to maintain your RV's high-quality condition throughout the harsh winter months. Your first step should be to meticulously clean your RV both inside and out. Remove any dirt, dust, and grime, and make sure to dispose of any perishable items. Overlooking this step could invite pests and create a problematic situation for the spring season. After cleaning your RV, gather the tools required for winterization. A crucial tool is a non-toxic RV antifreeze. It plays a significant role in preventing your pipes from freezing and subsequently bursting. A water heater bypass kit is equally important. It helps protect your water heater from potential winter damage. Additionally, a water pump converter kit is essential. This kit facilitates the pumping of antifreeze throughout your RV's water system. These tools are indispensable to ensure a smooth winterization process. Once these preparations are complete, you are all set to start the actual winterization process. Always bear in mind that minor preparation undertaken now will prevent a significant amount of inconvenience in the future. The first step of the actual winterization process is draining the system. This is a crucial task designed to avert potential damage from freezing to your RV's plumbing network. The foremost action pertains to the emptying of the freshwater tank. This process needs a particular place, a distinct area specifically designated for this purpose. It's of utmost importance that you locate this area. Post this, you're required to empty the gray and black water tanks. It's necessary to employ the appropriate sewer hose for this task, completing it at a location officially classified as a dump station. At this juncture, it's necessary to pay attention to the water heater. Remember to switch it off and give it adequate time to cool down before you commence the draining process. Dealing with scorching hot water can be risky, thus, caution is advised. Dealing with the water heater sets the stage for the next step, which involves opening all the faucets in your RV. It's crucial to open every faucet, from the kitchen to the bathroom, including the shower faucets, ensuring no spot is left unattended. In parallel, ensure to open the low-point drain lines as well. This meticulous process ensures that any remaining water that could potentially freeze and cause substantial damage is eliminated. It's this thorough and systematic draining that prepares the RV for the subsequent steps in the winterization process. Once you've drained the system thoroughly and systematically, you're ready to proceed to the subsequent steps of the winterization process. Now it's time to add non-toxic antifreeze to the system. The first step in this all-important process is bypassing your water heater. This is a critical task as you don't want any of the antifreeze to accidentally enter your water heater. Commonly, the water heater is nestled behind a conveniently removable panel. Typically, the majority of the RVs in use today come equipped with a specially designed bypass valve for this very objective. The bypass valve just needs to be switched over to the bypass mode. Once you've successfully bypassed the water heater, the next item you'll need is a water pump converter kit. This valuable tool plays a vital role in the process as it lets you introduce the necessary RV antifreeze into your system. The converter kit connects to the inlet side of the water pump, and the other end needs to be placed into a gallon containing RV antifreeze. Now comes the time to power up your water pump. Activating this will draw the antifreeze into the integral parts of your system. Begin with the faucet that's closest to your pump. Open both the hot and cold valves until you observe the antifreeze making its appearance. This process must be repeated for all of the faucets in your RV. Don't forget to include the shower and outdoor faucets. Congratulations, You have now winterized your RV. Winterizing your RV is an essential step in maintaining its longevity. This process is all about preparation and due diligence. Begin by removing perishables and switching off appliances. Drain the plumbing system to protect against frozen pipes. Antifreeze the final step, protecting plumbing from freezing. Each action you take is towards avoiding potential damage and preserving your RV for future trips. This isn't a simple chore, it's an investment. It's about ensuring countless adventures in your RV. So take these steps seriously, they're vital for your RV's well-being. Thanks for riding along with everything about RVing. Make sure to subscribe to the Everything About RVing YouTube channel. By clicking the logo, you will be able to view more awesome content on all things RVing. Did you like this video? Give it a thumbs up and share it. Looking for more tips, tricks, and RV tales? Click on the video suggestions on the screen. Safe travels and see you on the open road.